didn't sleep much last night. So excited about getting the point lights done. They're not done, but working. I just was up all night. I fall asleep till like 7 in the morning. So, but let's get it working with those. Oh, okay, that works. Oh, yeah. Guilty. You know, I took off the damn button. Oh, no, I didn't.
Guilty. Guilty. Guilty.
Oh, my God. I'm not tired. It's worn out, man. Now, let me think about this. The light color can't affect. I wish I did this in my other fader. So. Annihilation. Hey, did it ever post in Word? What, a bot never posted? What the hell? Oh, Mike was all the way over the other side. Hey, I only slept a few hours last night, though. I sound all right now, right? I usually check that. That's like one of the things I always make sure before I start. But yeah. Doody doo doo doo. Light color. Um. Let me refresh my memories on this. What is this shit? If I've slept, I could have probably put that in today. We'll see. Maybe I could do it. What time is it? Maybe. Right now, I got to get it all working with the other lighting, the directional lighting, and the shadows and shit. Got that beef jerky from that one Aaron guy. Really good. Not on a VPN today. I don't know. Let me think about this. Hey, what's up? Oh, it's Monday? Fuck. I didn't even think about what day it is. Until now. Holy shit. Somebody's got a bad case of the Mondays. That's me. Ba-da-doop-a-dee-da-da-dee-do. Did the post ever come up in the Discord? I never checked. Oh yeah, it came up. Finally, after like 20 minutes. Well, at least now the ships are lit up, eh? Let's put a little few less lights. Burpity derp buddy. Alright. I don't see the real lighting. Alright, back to the old drawing board. Let's not turn on any point lights for now. Oh yeah, I might not be able to put the lights on the shots today because I got to convert those to world coordinates. I might be able to put them on the engines of the enemy ships though. Oh, I remember. I put the light down. I got it. Let's make these a little smaller. Ding 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 ding. I don't see. Oh, I know what's wrong. Just forget about that. Oops. I didn't use light color. Son of a biscuit. What am I doing? This is wrong. This ain't right. Yeah, this attenuation is on the Durlight only. So times light color RGB plus light map. That looks right. Alright. What would a juvenile biscuit be called? I have no idea. Still don't look right. Did I compile the did I compile the shaders? I don't even remember. I'm out of it. Oh man, I did, didn't I? It doesn't matter, but just keep it all organized. Fuck it, let's make it 2.0. There, now it's lit up right. But it's not 100% correct. Right now, the ships in the air are using the same light map as the ground, and I gotta change that so they're not lit up by that. Yo, I gotta make it two different shaders. Or two different lighting functions. One it uses. Yet, I'm gonna do this. Man, that looks really freaking cool. I think the intensity is too big on some of the... Maybe, yeah. Oh. Oh! Alright, let's break this up into two functions. Or something like that, let me think. Raptor flex. What time is it? 6. I should really put some food in. All I did all day was eat this damn beef jerky. I'm on my last piece. Oh yeah, why am I reading both of them in? Oh, shit. I was going to make them texture arrays. Let's do that. Yeah, I might throw some chicken in my air fryer. No. Oh, I was going to Google something. Oh wait, this is a frame buffer though. Keegan, are you in here? Oh, I probably gotta do it like that other thing. Fuck. Let's see, where did I do that? Here.
And how the hell do you... Oh, shit. I was going to ask a question, but I want to see if I can figure this out. What's that one function called? Yeah, I'm guessing... Set texture. Ooh. Okay, how the hell do you set a texture array to be drawn to? Texture unit. Program sampler. Is that even possible to draw to a texture array? Well, yeah, but I'm looking at. I'm just wondering. You know, obviously the. How the hell do you do that in BGFX though? Ah, so keep a global variable of each slice. Okay, that should work, right? I create the render texture for each slice. I'm not creating it yet. I was just looking at what. I've never done this in BGFX before. Done it in Unity before. So I'm guessing I got to do this, like create texture 2D as a render texture, then add that to frame buffer? That's, no, you make this parameter is how many layers for the texture array. So how do you differentiate? Hey, hold on, I'm gonna go throw in some food. It might take like 20 minutes to cook.
Poultry, 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 poultry.
All right, put some chicken wings in. Hmm. Attachment. I'm gonna put garlic parmesan stuff on it. Yeah, I like buffalo wings, but I'm buffalo winged out. My new favorite is putting the garlic parmesan sauce on it. Oh gosh, dang it. So I have to create a texture create two texture 2D, and then create frame buffer with that, like that again, right? Oh, it's down here. Oh yeah. Okay, I forgot about that. Two. Ah ha ha. Yeah, I can just use get texture. I get it. Oh man, am I tired. I haven't had tea in so long. Rainbow attachment. Well, I can just make it in one frame buffer. Oh boy. Wonder if I should leave it 256 by 256. And with bilinear filtering, this should be fine, right? Although... Oh, I don't want mip-maps. I don't know, fuck it. Let's... Oh, what am I doing? Well, they were 16. They were floating points. 16F. Do they didn't? Oh, I see. Hold on. Man, I hope I sleep tonight. God, that was horrible. I mean, I felt great up until 7 in the morning. Oh. To blah 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 blah. Light map. So here, when I render the geometry, I just have to send one, right? Otherwise, it wouldn't be an array. But where I draw to... Oh, shit. This is the tricky part. I'm not sure how to use this attachment thing. Hold on. I think I got what you mean. Well, I can't even think straight. But where do I do that? All right, hold on a second. Let me get some more water. Should have went back to sleep. Oh, shit, there's water in All right, I'm back. Yeah. All right. I'm not sure of the syntax of this. There's a, hold on, there's a... Welcome back, welcome back. I sworn there was one in here. SSS. I thought SSS was subsurface scattering. Okay. Fuck. Oh, that's a. I still don't get how to do this. Yeah, it's a structure, but what am I missing here? We could just do this tomorrow. I'll probably be like when I'm awake. Could probably find something else to work on. All right. Whoop! I think the iguana just fell. I think the iguana wants more food. Hold on. All right. Here's an example right here. I think I get it. I think I get this. This is right, right? Like that? King, and that's it, right? Zippity doo dah, zippity hey. The attachment number. Oh, I see what you mean, yeah. So then how do I get the texture handle of each layer? Hold on a second, my food's done. Alrighty. Chicken parmesan, or whatever you call it. Wings, picking. Okay, in here or in Discord? Discord. It's too hot to eat. I hate when you're hungry and the food's too hot. Do-da-dee-do-dun. Oh, still typing. Okay. All right, I got it. Oh, just copy and paste this shit. As an example. Oh. Oh my god, that's good. Fucking hot. All right, thanks, Keegan. I'll get to this as soon as I eat. God, fuck with that hot. I think I'll let the other piece cool off for about 10 minutes. Well, I'm a... You know what I'm doing? Oh, damn, chicken wings are good. All right, so I created this freaking I think I got it. Hody do. Oops. In your code, doesn't it have to declare the variable? That look right? Okay, but then how do I pass one texture array to the regular drawing stuff? Do I have to make a third frame buffer? Now, do I have to make a third frame buffer so I could send it as a texture array? Since these two frame buffers are... All right, let me finish eating and I'll be in voice. We're a fucking mess. All right, I'm done. Alrighty then. Voice chat. Where the fuck is... Oh, Discord. Hello?
Mute the old stream here.
What?
I just muted the stream so I didn't get the echo.
Oh, I'm gonna go to the other... Hold on, let me just set this up together. Okay, my Raptor cam's messed up now.
Oh no.
Not the Raptor cam, anything but that.
What people are really here for.
Yeah. Alright, let me put the chat back up. God, I can't think at all. Okay, chat's up. You guys can hear us, right? Anybody in the YouTube chat can hear both of us? Here, say something real quick.
Hello.
Yeah, you're definitely coming through.
Okay, cool.
I can see it on the meter. Oh, all right.
Right. Okay. So technically there are actually two ways to do what you're trying to do. I'm assuming that in each stage you are only drawing to one slice of this texture.
Yes, it goes through a loop here. It calls us twice, one for each.
Right. Yeah. If you.
But then when I use it, you got to send it as one
Yeah.
thing, right? When I'm gonna render it like the geometry.
Yeah. So you're not using a frame buffer. Like if you do get texture from the. Well, actually. You
I can just make this a global variable, right?
Yeah. Where you create the texture handle, right? That is the 2D array.
Okay, I'm beyond tired. This wouldn't be so complicated if I wasn't.
Yeah.
I am beyond slap happy right now. I am I think I fell asleep. I was watching TV. I fell asleep for 2 hours. I woke up. I could not go back to sleep. I was so hyped about the damn. I kept watching the video over and over with the lights. I was like, oh my God, that looks better than I thought. Alrighty, so maybe a protector handle.
Where? Oh no.
Oh, well, I thought I spelled it wrong, but I didn't. T light maps. There, and that should do it, right? Then I also got to change. Change it to light map uniform handle. Just call it light maps. Right?
Yeah.
If you can see this, I could share my screen if you want to see it real time. I'll share it's 1080, so it doesn't slow down and everything.
Sure.
There.
That full screen it to that full screen. Poop. Okay, cool. Yeah.
So then here I would just go light map, view light maps. Whoop. And that would stay the same. Right? Let's see if that compiles. Then I just got to change the shaders.
You're binding the frame buffer there. Those are the frame buffers you created using those attachments, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, then that should be
that
should be right.
Oh, I forgot to
We'll
delete
see what
this.
I've misunderstood, but
I want to make these again. You son of a bitch. Anything else I forgot? Oh, I'm in. One error. Create frame buffer. Did I spell that wrong?
lowercase c. It's
Oh, you're right. Yeah, yeah.
blurry. I can't. Yeah, I don't like the naming convention that they use. That gets me every time with BGFX.
What, the lowercase?
Yeah, the lowercase first letter of functions.
I know. I would.
think
They would do
I
that with
think-
variables. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, variables, yes. Functions, no. Those should all be capitalized.
You should write them a letter.
Yeah.
Oh. Man, I haven't felt that. I mean, I've been tired before, but not that where you get no sleep and you feel like, like shaky almost. That's how I was today.
Yeah.
I was like, up until like 3 o'clock or so. Well, now I know that I drank my electrolyte drink, and that made me feel better. Well, it built, so now we got to change the shader. So, where is light map? Oh, Schnauzer. Now, when you read a texture array, is it just another parameter on texture 2D, or is it a whole new thing?
Sorry, when you're reading a
Texture array, yeah.
an array?
Or is it texture 2D array?
No, it should be bound. Wait, is this in the shader or?
Yeah, this is a shader right now. I'll just leave.
So I think it should just be another parameter.
I'll just look up.
This is GLSL basically, right?
Yeah. I found that
You might have to use a different sampler.
I've done it before. I don't remember though.
I haven't done it in GL in ages, and
Yeah, I don't think it's the same.
texture GL.
Read texture array. It might be texture 2D array. I don't know.
It's there's a constant that's GL texture 2D array that binds it. Oh, that's in the API. So it's bound, let's say. Yeah, so it's a separate sampler type. You have to use sampler 2D array. And then there's one extra texture coordinate, which is the layer.
Can you call that directly in this BGFX?
I assume so. I think it just takes GLSL syntax and then does what it needs to do.
Is it G sampler?
Yes.
Oh boy, let's just okay. I hate doing this one. Let's light map 1 equals. See, I'm thinking that I don't know if that'll compile. I wonder if it's some like you got to call like with the sampler. Like I had to call BGFX sampler 2D. You know,
Oh, right. There might be a BGFX.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Here, let me look up that header file.
Yeah,
I might have it loaded. What time is it? This is not fun today. BGF sampler 2D array. Right there.
Okay. Cool. Hey, whatever works, man.
Hey. No, what's the parameters?
It just takes an extra. It's the same as otherwise. It just takes an extra texture coordinate. It takes a 3D coordinate, and the third one is the layer you want to use.
For now, I'm just going to use 0 to see if it works. So I don't have it built in for that yet. Oh, but I have to change. Oh god, I have to recompile everything. Tile.shader. Bada bing, bada bing, bing, bing. Where's all this shite? Light maps. Oh, we're free up the texture unit. That's nice. Light maps. Light maps. Just put light maps. And sprite. Where the fuck is it?
Very good question.
Light maps. There we go. Light maps. I knew I'd fuck up something. Constructor. Yeah, I didn't like that. I didn't change something here being tired, did I? Nope. It didn't like that BGFX, whatever. Let me see the syntax on that. Sampler vec3 chords. Oh, it's a vec3. Then
Yeah, because it needs that extra. It needs that extra parameter for which array slice you want to use.
Oh yeah, so that other parameter is not the slice. It's the MIP map, right?
Oh right, yes. So sorry.
I got it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, where is it? I can't see it. Oh, here it is. I remember this now. I did this in my shader. Vec3 UVs. XY equals ILM UV. UVS dot Z equals 0, right? Or no? Oop. Build it! Damn it! Oh, no, 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 no! What is it like now? Number of constructor parameters does not match the number of structure fields. Declaration expected. What the fuck? Or maybe
I might have to abandon the Discord screen share. It's very
all right. I'll just turn it off then. For
artifacted.
yeah,
Yeah,
Discord sucks for that shit.
Yeah.
Oh, and I look at the.
Yeah, sorry, I'm gonna pull the stream back up.
Oh. I wonder.
UVs is now Vec 3. I light map 1, that's the texture binding, right?
Yeah.
Oh, so it's taking a...
Dude, I'm stupid. I'm passing in. Oh, shit. I probably got to declare it different too, don't I?
Yeah.
Like, this has got to be sampler 2D array, you think?
Yeah.
And this has to be array. Number of constructor parameters that match the number of structure fields. Ooh. No, that wasn't it either. What the hell am I doing wrong?
A very good question, if I've ever heard one.
You don't. You did that other one's the LOD one. Oh, this might be it. You don't need the. You might not need this. Maybe why it's not finding it or whatever. Is it capital then? Whoa, what the fuck happened now? got to be an example somewhere. BGF texture 2D array, sampler, and a VEC3. That's it. And I can't find it? Oh, let me do some Googling.
The sorry, what's the code that's throwing the error?
The line that reads the BGFX sampler 2D array.
So it takes 2 parameters. Sorry, can I see the code again?
You mean the docs?
No, your code.
Oh,
To this. Okay. So we pass it the light map sampler and the UVs. The UVs are of X3, so that should be correct. Okay, so that's the correct sampler type.
let me make sure it's not something with my parser. I'm going to read.
What, well, so it's complaining about the constructor.
Yeah, no. No matching
Yeah.
overload. It's right there in the header file. I mean,
Oh, no matching of the loader function found.
I didn't close that, did I? What the hell did I do with that web page? Oh, here, it's right. Losing my mind. Oh, it's already there. BGFX. It's the same thing. Oh, that's the include file, and I'm including that for sure.
Yeah.
Come on. Oh dear. Wait a second. Wait a second. I might be stupid here. Hold on. Remix. Vertex. Oh, that's the tile. Yeah. That's definitely a thing. I hope it's not another like bug in BGFX. Like remember when I couldn't read in the or pass that other thing and I had to upgrade. You can just try the OpenGL thing. Maybe it'll work.
Uh,
Yeah, I found another thing in this. I accidentally put a lerp in there. You know, that's not part of GLSL. I don't think it worked.
yeah.
I mean, just Why try to support both? You know, I mean, just it makes from some fucked up code, man. Ba-doo, ba-doo. Do. Sampler 2D array. Why is it G sampler? I don't get it. Jesus fuck. Is this searchable? No.
Of course not.
Oh, here. How do you do? This thing's not even loading all the way. Here's another one. Here, texture. Woody-doo. Greater than texture pro load, texture grad. Texture LOD offset, texture LOD. Texture. Come on, just fucking. Brother. Texture array, you dumbass. Oh, I didn't put texture. Just one little. You're buying about a sampler 2D array. What? It converted. Look at that in the source. It converted it back to BGFX. Hold on. I better force it to redo it. Temp structure. What the fuck? Constructors only defined for numeric base types. Look at that though, it's showing the old code. It's like converting it to that. Hold on, you know what I should do? This might take a while, but clean.
Yeah, I was gonna say it seems like it feels like it's not building something right. It's not catching a dependency change.
Oh, it's still doing it. I wonder. I forgot the 2. Hey, it's compiling. Just a little random. That was my first impulse was to try that. Just to put the array on the end of it. I got to stop this. The first one's gonna be fucked up. I got to redo the whole thing. Make clean. No, build. Oh, so get something accomplish it. Whoa.
Is that
Now, the hard part's going to be I can't go to sleep too early because then I'll sleep a few hours and wake up again. So I got to somehow stay up till like around midnight without dozing off in my chair like I did last night. That's exactly what happened. I dozed off like too early, and then I woke up a couple hours later and I could not fall back to sleep. Yeah, see, I don't know how to explain this, but like I'm gonna have to. Okay, say like a light. I guess I would just draw it again. Say like there's a 16 radius light on a ship, right? Or on a shot. A shot's a better example, right? That little light though would cast a bigger light but dimmer on the ground. So like air, you know what I mean? Air things that are in the air that aren't being blocked would have to be drawn again, bigger and less bright on the bottom light map.
yeah?
And then the bottom light map, I have to sample it twice to get that edge. Remember I was playing with the edge lighting up on the ships? I'll do that all tomorrow. There's no way today. I'd be happy just to get it to run with the damn texture arrays.
Yeah.
Well, this is cool because that's easier now. Yeah, like you said, it interpolates between the things. But if I need another layer of lights data or something, it's easy to add now.
Yes. Yeah. Makes it a lot less unpleasant.
And it frees up. Oh, ouch, ouch! What's going on here? Errors, errors, errors. Now it's dying on the texture 2D load. Lighting PR lights can implicitly convert from structure B sampler 2D to B. Oh, I probably fucked something up. I'm so tired. Hold on. Eye reflection. No, that's not an array. What shader is this? Oh, sprite. I didn't update something. That's what's wrong. There is no problem. Light map, sampler 2D array. Here we go. Oh, I already did it. Okay. Build. No replies to. Oh shit! No. What is this? What is this? What is this? That's supposed to be some other. What is the default FS tile? What? Light maps RE? Did I make a typo somewhere? I did. $7.24. I'll work till 8. Unless I start screwing up things really bad. I sound stuffy? It's possible. I mean, I didn't take my allergy medicine today. Yeah, I'm not taking no caffeine now. I'll never sleep. I feel like crap. That'd make me. I'd probably throw up. I don't know. Ugh. When you're that tired, you can't wake yourself up via like drugs or whatever. You could have a stroke or a heart attack or something. Hey, it compiled. Now let's see if it works. That's why I just made like simple tea today. I didn't even finish it. Yeah, they're not working. We ain't got no point lights here.
What's the point? Light.
Yeah, light map 1. I'm loading it into light map 1. I would guess that the problem is what? Somewhere in the, not in the shader.
Take a render dot capture and see what's bound.
You and your render doc. Let me just look at this real fast. I'll load up render doc. I'm just thinking if it's I did a typo or something here.
You know how I feel about tools that let you see what the computer is doing?
Yeah. This create frame buffer, what's this number, the first parameter?
The number of attachments.
Oh, okay.
So there's only one attachment.
Okay, no, I just want to make sure. I'm just looking for any little typos or light maps.
So like the optional parameters at the end are which layer to use, the number of layers, and whether to destroy the textures or not. I think I left off the last two because the number of layers to use defaults to 1 because you only want to draw to 1 texture.
Oh, where did I make that dump to? Light maps. I can't even think. G-light. All right, yeah, it's the 4th texture unit. All right, I'm gonna load up render doc. I can spell it. Why doesn't it remember your last? Oh, it does, sort of. That's the reflection texture. That's the main texture. It doesn't look like it's drawing it. 256, 9 MIPS. That's reflection. It's like I don't see even in here anywhere. Here it makes a sky. I should do the lights first. I think in the code it does the lights first.
This is where I shill again and say that if your stages had debug names, it would be.
I know. I'll do that tomorrow. Remind
easy
me.
to tell what
Remind
it's
me.
supposed to be.
Yeah, remind me. I forgot all about that, dude.
It's not fun. It's not glamorous. It's just.
I know. I gotta do more things to make it easy to debug. Kit mesh. Am I in the right fucking file? Yeah. Yeah, it's the first thing it does before the sky. There is no. It must be aborting like at an error, like the invalid frame buffer or something. I bet you $100.
I mean, I would hope that it would. I would hope that would be a runtime error if it was failing to bind it, right? Like.
I wouldn't put anything past BGFX. Where the fuck is Raptor? Come on. Uh-oh. Task manager not responding. There we go. I really got to put that in there too so you can quit. Oh, what was I going to do? I totally lost my train of thought. Oh, I was just going to go through a debugger. Ba-doo-ba-doo. I'm heating this up one day too. Where's render lights? Render quad light. Here we go. Render lights. It's making it there. Well, looks like it's doing it in code. There's the depth. I thought it generates the MIPS twice. It seems to be smart about it. Once after I do the sky, and then once after I add the ship's reflections, which is what it's supposed to do. Sometimes BGFX, if you do something wrong, it just outputs nothing. It doesn't always give an error. That's what I mean, obviously, we're setting it, but I don't think something's wrong. No, when in doubt, I'm just going to rebuild everything clean.
Yeah.
Let me make sure this EXE is the right EXE. Launch application. Raptor remix. Okay, yeah, it is. China's artificial sun fusion reactor just smashed its old record. Well, BGFX is actually a good library. It's just there's so little information about it, and the docs aren't integrated. Sometimes it's a quest to figure out what's going on. There's nothing else. I don't think I'd use anything else other than BGFX. Was that Torch? Was it called Torch?
I forget.
It's like BGFX. It's really low level, but a lot of bigger engines. I think doesn't Battlefield or something use that underneath?
No, I mean Battlefield's Frostbite. That's all.
Or maybe it's some. Here, let me find it. I gotta look that up.
This Torque 3D, but I think that's higher level. I think that's more of an engine.
Maybe it was Forge.
Forge sounds familiar.
Yeah, Forge. I always get the name mixed up. It's got to be a bad name. Wait, somewhere I thought some big company did use this.
They probably do.
But if I remember, I went through the docs real fast, and it's it's like BGFX. It's really low level. It doesn't do any, much hand holding and stuff. I think this is. I thought it used to be in their Discord. Oh, they do custom stuff for people, I guess, too.
Oh yeah, that's right. I remember that now. Yeah, we looked into this before.
Battlefield 4.
Wait.
Contribution
Oh,
short.
right. Yeah, right. So they did stuff for that.
Battlefield 1, Black Ops 3, Call of Duty. Confetti, I remember that.
Yeah.
It's all coming back to me now. That'd be a cool place to work.
Well, I say that, but I would basically just be I'd be doing what I'm doing now, just probably for more money.
Wait, what? I was looking. I don't know if you're looking at what their office is at the beach.
Yeah.
That'd be cool to just take your lunch and sit on the beach and eat a sandwich.
Yeah, that'd be kind of neat.
Oh.
The actual work is like I
wouldn't want to work on it.
I write rendering engines all day long.
I don't. Yeah, it's a weird. It's a mental thing. Like if somebody said you had to work on Raptor, it wouldn't be as much fun. But it's your choice.
Yeah.
It's just a totally different mindset. It's like you have an option or something. I don't know what it is. Okay. Oh yeah, this ain't working. What am I doing? I could just output the damn light map and nothing else too. Wait a second. If it's not even being rendered. It's got to be some syntax error or the way we're making the attachments or something.
Yeah, it's tough to say without like a debug layer output or anything.
Attachments.
You could. So where you bind that frame buffer, you could drop a breakpoint there and see if you can step through the BTFX code.
Oh yeah,
I was just thinking. Out. It should. Yeah.
Or did I leave the breakpoint in there? Of course not. Or did I? Oh god! Oh, where am I even in? I'm not even in the right fucking file. Yeah, like right here. You mean right?
There's like a 0% chance that I'm going to be able to see it right now. This is like potato quality.
Yeah, that's what I was going to do.
Yeah. Where you do the set view frame buffer, step into that function and see if it binds it.
Aye, laddie, that I will.
I mean, you might even want to start where you do the frame buffer create.
I know. That's what I was going to do after this.
Yeah.
I should have probably done that first because. Diddly-dee-doom. These songs, it's funny. For the rest of my life, this playlist will remind me of working on Raptor. Oh, why did I do this kind of shit? Uh-oh. Didn't step into that. It's got a valid handle. Yeah, FB here. We can check that right now. Ah, fuck you. Fuck you, not you. Sea lion.
I understand.
Oh, it's got a. If it was invalid, it would have a negative number.
Yeah.
Maybe I'm passing something wrong with the Z in the shader.
No,
it's 0 through 1, right?
You'd see it trying to do the draw, right?
Oh yeah. So why wouldn't you? It would show up. It would still show up in a render doc.
And no, I mean the Z should be the layer number, right? So how many are there?
2.
Oh, there's okay, yeah. So 0 through 1, yes.
Let me sure here. I think I missed it. Render sequential, render lights. Right. Son of a bitch. Oh, it's crashing. Well, that might be because I left it running in the background. I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, no. Let's try render doc one more time. Why did I say nothing? What did I do wrong? Oh, there we go. Wait, draw indexed instance. That no, this makes sense because it does the reflection after, I think. Winamp, nothing but Winamp. Where the fuck is Raptor? Oh, I had an idea, now I forgot. Oh. Maybe, just maybe. I bet I know what it is. It's stupid, too.
Yeah?
Hold on. Let me find it.
I didn't know.
Oh, no, I thought I forgot the RT, the BGF art underscore RT thing. I didn't. Oh, yeah, happy B-Day, man. Happy birthday today. Happy birthday. Son of a bitch, man. What the fuck. It's got to be something simple.
Whoever wrote this is a criminal.
Hey, there's a thing called num layers. It defaults to 1. Maybe that should be the next parameter too. I don't know.
No, because you're only binding one layer of it to write to.
Okay.
That determines how many render targets get bound.
Okay.
Right? And you're not doing MRT. You could do this with MRT. You could draw them all on the same stage and just select a different.
Is that supported on everything?
Yes. Everything that you'll care about will do MRT, but
Well, I know like newer stuff will, but I was just
this is fine. The way you're doing it is fine.
I'm just gotta figure out what the fuck's going on here. Okay. I'm tired. I better just check this. That I didn't comment that. No lights out. No, they're here. That would have been funny. I feel like this day, just like, it went by like in a flash. And it's like that, I don't even, it's like, because you're so tired, it's like, it's depressing.
Yeah, I'm feeling it pretty hard today too.
All right, and that's why I'm not drinking any more tea. There's not a lot of caffeine in it, but
Enough.
why is this not compiling? It's like it froze. Oh, fuck that. Please, I want this to work today. Yesterday was such a good day. Remember, I think I even brought up the whole thing that something bad's going to happen. Yeah. It's not, you're never so happy all the time. Make clean. Here, I'll be right back. Oh, my legs. If I don't get it in the next 5 minutes, I just gotta quit. Probably something stupidly obvious or something. Or it'll just work after doing this clean build here. Oh, you can't sleep? That was me a couple weeks ago. I'd fall asleep and wake up and kind of like what I did last night, but for different reasons. Yesterday, I was just fucking hyped up about getting the lights working. I swear I must have watched my video like 100. The end part where it shows the lights working. It's over and over and over. I couldn't believe it worked. No, I don't know if you remember the first time I got it working. They were kind of like flat. The point lights, they didn't look like like shiny like they do now. I mean, that whole PBR thing really added some life to it. Take a melatonin. I wish there was something like a machine. There's got to be something like some technology, like a Star Trek thing. You just put on your head, sleep 8 hours. You know. Beep.
Well, if you discover it, let me know.
I know. Well, you know what I didn't do either last night? Oh, I'd fall asleep in my chair. But I put on that that really like that sleep music on YouTube. It's like delta wave sleep music. I swear that helps. And the other big thing is remembering to put the fucking water in a humidifier. Otherwise, I'll wake up in a few hours and it's like you feel like you're like you're dehydrated, you know. God, it seems like taking longer than usual. While this is going, I'm just going to do a quick... It's done. Yeah. Yeah, now it's just displaying the light maps on the tiles. There's nothing there. I just got this bad feeling that some stupid mistake that I did. Let me look at this again. Light map 1, that's right. It can't hurt to try this. It could be the BGFX fucking parser.
Passed it.
I remember what was that other thing that I forget there was some like weird thing that was, remember? Like I had to change the way that was coded because the parser was fucking the code up actually. And
Do remember that, yeah.
light maps, text cord. Light map 1, light map 1. God, I gotta get this. It's gonna bug the shit out of me, and it's weird because you're tempted with like, oh, I get this cooler feature of interpolating between the two light maps, and you don't want to go back and just say, oh fuck it, I'm gonna go back to the old way. Once you're like presented with a better way,
Yeah. Yeah.
Could it be something to do with the size of the texture since I changed that? Maybe I'm mapping it wrong. 512, let's make it smaller. 256. Two layers, yep. And, I mean, just to have to ask, a texture arrays can be clamped, right?
Yes.
And this should be a render texture or whatever, render target, whatever you call it, yeah.
Yes.
I want to verify. See what it does now with a smaller. Yeah, because before, the old light map was 320 by 200. That's still nothing. I wonder, would it allow you to make, would it allow me to make a non-power of 2 texture? I know maybe it doesn't work on everything, but I just want to put it the exact same size that it was.
I think so. You
Can't hurt
should be able to.
Just so it isn't like some texture coordinates shit I screwed up. Nope, it ain't that. I equals 0, I is less than 2, I plus plus. It isn't a special sampler, is it? Like a BGFX uniform type sampler?
Again, I don't think so.
It could be also. Where would I set it in the geometry thing? Maybe it is being drawn to, but it's not being read. Under the screen.
You would be able to see the draw, though, in RenderDoc.
Oh, yeah, yeah. What am I talking about? Yeah, so it's got to be failing on that somehow. Render sky. Render geometry. Render this, render that, render lights. Just for the fuck of it, I'm going to try using a different matrix that doesn't move. Oh no. That's right. Nope. I gotta be doing... Yeah, if it's failing, I'm doing something wrong against the rules here. Maybe I should follow the submit. I bet it's failing on the submit.
Could be.
What? It's not even getting there. Oh, that's not the right... Forget it. It's the wrong place. Just, how did I ever search? Render... A lot of vertices. Looks like it's rendering it. No errors. Yep. But why would it show up in the damn render doc thing? God, that's fucking weird. It does it before the sky. Light maps. Make sure I spelled that right everywhere. Light maps, that's it. This sucks. I am at a loss.
Can you grab a render.capture real quick and send it to me?
Mhm.
Just save the RDC and fire it to me in Discord.
Receive. Oh shit! I'm not on your. How do I? There. There, it's uploading.
That's it. Gotta clean it. Puke.
What? You got a puke?
Cat vomited. Gotta clean it up.
Oh, okay. Wait, does this hit? No, that's the night and day thing.
All right, let's see what's going on here. Guy. The actual fuck? A vertex. Oh, yes, light. Okay. Okay, so I think stage 1 in that capture, where it does generate MIPS and then the draw with 4 Hertz, does the draw indexed instanced.
Yeah.
I think that's your lights.
But why would it be generating MIPS? That's the reflection capture that has the MIPS.
I think because we set it to when you create the texture, I think I gave it the has MIPS flag. You can turn that off if you don't need MIP maps for the light texture.
No, the MIP maps aren't Don't have MIPS.
Oh yeah, sure. So where you create that texture array, you can flip that true to a false.
It's not true. There is no MIPS on that. It is false. Or is it?
If you're using the code that I sent you, it's
No, I
true.
I have it as false.
Okay.
So that anything with MIPS is the reflection texture, and it's supposed to have that.
Okay, interesting. Because that stage has a vertex shader bound.
You're breaking up
Called-
again.
Oh. Okay, how about now?
Yeah, it's a little better. Yeah,
Okay,
the
cool.
first time the reflection texture's made, it's when it draws those Brownian clouds. Then the second, that's when it generates the MIPS the first time, and then when
Right.
I do the bottom side of the ships for the reflection, that's when it does it the second time.
Now the weird thing about this first stage here, right, is you've got this vertex shader named VS Light bound on that stage, and you're doing a draw.
Yes, that's the
But there is no. Yeah, okay, so when it's drawing a quad and it's drawing it instanced, fine, whatever. Sure, okay, so it's drawing these quads around the viewport, fine. Obvious problem here. There's no output texture bound and there's no pixel shader bound.
Huh.
So that's not right.
I didn't change anything there.
And then what does it go to do after that?
What
It's
file
doing
am I in?
VS Lite again. That third stage also has the same problem. It's got a vertex shader, but no pixel shader bound, and no. It does have an output bound, but no pixel shader.
I'll bet you it's some BGFX thing with that texture 2D array, and it's actually crashing. Well, here, I know a test I can do real quick. Watch this. Watch this shit. All right, we'll take this out and just make light map red.
Oh, sorry, it was the. All right, stage 3 is where it draws the ships. Never mind, that one's okay. I was looking at the clear. But yeah, you got this draw in the first stage. That's after.
I bet you that's why it has no pixel shader. This texture 2D array thing is wrong. It's not. It thinks it's
Yeah, it's failing to bind that pixel shader, I think. So something in that bind isn't correct, and I'm honest. I'm stunned that it doesn't crash trying to load that pixel shader. I'm stunned that it compiles and then tries to load it and fails, and doesn't say anything about it.
Oh, I wish I could find an example. BGFX texture 2D array. It's going to be some syntax crap.
Oh, undoubtedly.
Sampler 2D array. Okay, just like that. I think I found an example here. New version has solved this issue for me, 2019. And they don't say what they use to read it. You think, BGFX, it's like, you think, there's a lot of people using it. You think there'd be more examples out there?
You would think that, yes.
What I think it is a lot of, mostly it's like used to like people that know what they're doing mostly, and they're not like people that want to post their code around, all over the place. Ooh, I think I just saw something. Added texture 2D array to the list of depreciated functions that need to be changed to texture. What the fuck does that mean? What the hell does that mean?
Good question.
That needs to be changed to texture.
I suspect that there's just a generic texture, like intrinsic function that can take what, like, it's just overloaded on whatever kind of sampler you give it. And so probably the plan is to change.
Well, let's see if just texture 2D takes a Vec 3. No. So it converts it to that code. It is that lowercase BGFX. That's compiling.
Interesting.
But now it's fucked up. I gotta resave that file so it pulls it from scratch. I think that it got that overload error before because we had that third parameter in it. You know what I mean?
Yeah, maybe.
And I'm actually a little more awake right now, kind of snapping off it. So I'd really like to get this before I quit for today. Worst case, I'll join their damn Discord again and ask a question. No! No! What is this? Lighting PBR. What? Oh, I know that this is a normal error. It's fine. Oop, I froze this up. I changed the parameters to that one function. So tile dot shader light maps. It's just one now. And I go to sprite. Burp. Excuse me. All right. Oh, where is? Oh, I gotta load it up again. Remixed shaders. I feel a lot better all of a sudden. I still want to go watch TV though, but I want to get this too. I got a good feeling about this. Good thing you did that render doc thing. That kind of pointed us in a. I wouldn't have known enough about render doc to do that.
Yeah. It's one of the few things I'm good for.
Jesus, fuck, this take a long time. Yeah, the next BGFX endeavor, once I get the lights working and shit, I want to figure out how to not compile all the platforms every time, you know? There's got to be a fucking way. It's something in their macros, in the embedded shaders or something. Okay. Drum roll, please. Wait. Oh, let's just let it display the light map. If we see a bunch of colors, it'll be wonderful. Da-da-da-da-dun. Da-da-da-da-da-dun. And it's black.
Classic.
Oh boy. Oh wait, did I changed a few things too. It could be something else. Actually, if I did it rendered, let me check this first. RDFX, where the fuck are you? Let's put the real matrix. Mesh material, shader. Just one fucking example, man.
You would think. You would think.
You know, tomorrow I'm not gonna deal with that today. I'm just gonna go and I'm gonna take one more Google. BGFX 2D texture array.
I think it is time to go bathe the baby.
All right, dude. Thanks for the help.
Yeah, no problem. I'll take another peek tomorrow if
Yeah, I'm probably gonna give it 5 more minutes. I'm gonna quit. I'm just gonna try if I can find one. There's got to be one example. There's got to be one.
you would think, yeah.
I did.
You, a fool, would think that.
RGF. It did call texture 2D, right? Create texture 2D. Okay.
Let's hold on. Where's the resource inspector? Shader resource view.
Wait a second. Is it in terrain examples? Maybe that will show. Examples. Loading textures. Shadow mapping example. GUI example. MRT rendering and deferred shading. Rendering the multiple windows. Vector display. Terrain painting example. Let's take a gander at this motherfucker.
Okay, so I found your target. It's what, 512 by 512, 2 slices.
Yeah.
R16, G16, B16, A16.
Yep.
Okay, so it's creating the resource. The resource is there.
Yeah, I'm 100% sure now that it's failing. It's trying when it tries to bind it to the shader, the frag shader, it's failing because it's not. BGFS is fucking up the source or something. Here, let's do this. Fuck, you got the source right in the compile of folder, Raptor remixed. Shaders. Compile. See more. That's not the right one. What the fuck? Here we go. Lighting. What? Oh, that's not the tile shader. What am I looking at? Tile, water, lighting. Oh, you can't see what it turns. I thought it would inline this stuff or something, man. There's no way
It'd
to
be too convenient.
Oh, here's something. Here we go. What the fuck? BGFX Shadow 2. Here it is, right? I mean, here's the compiled code. BGF sampler 2D array. Here's the call. Light map equals I light map UVS. Why does it have this in here? A texture 2D array. Oh, it's BG. Okay. Missing it. Oh, I am at a loss. Let's look at their FS terrain. Yeah, he's not using. I don't know what the fuck terrain this is, but there's no. Bug draw picking. Global illumination particles. POM. Dynamic buffers updates. Just bloom. There's sparse virtual textures. Is that like decals or something? Adaptive tessellation, bunny load, denoise, screen space shadows, depth of field.
All right. Sorry, I do need to take off.
All right, dude.
As much as I could sit here staring at this all night.
It's gonna. Well, at least we know now. We know enough to know that it's some BGFX thing.
Yeah, doing something wrong and compiling the shader or
Yeah.
syntax or something like that. We'll figure it out.
So, all right, dude. I'll talk to you tomorrow, man.
All right. Later.
Yeah, I'm gonna quit too, everybody. So I will. I'll pick this up tomorrow. Good night, everybody.